How to track your Popmart Labubu order. Once you place your order, Popmart will give you two things, order number and tracking number. If you have not created your Popmart account before placing order, you can simply open up any web browser. Then you can simply search for Popmart order status, then click on the first link. Now on the first box, enter your order number. Then on the second box, enter your email address. Now click on the submit option. Now from there you can easily get your order status. If you have a Popmart account, you want to head over to popmart.com, log into your account and click on the My Account option. From here click on My Orders. Now you'll see a list of every blind box, keychain or mystery figure you've ever ordered. You want to click on that specific order and there you will find the tracking number. You will also find the track button over there. Go ahead and click on that. It will now redirect you straight to the Courier's tracking portal, and from there you can easily track your order. You can also head over to the Courier's site, then enter the tracking number that you received on your email. From here as well, you can track your Popmart Labubu order, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.